Hey, thank you for being here today. I want to take 5 minutes of your time to talk to you about one of the two training programs me and Gene Fetty are going to offer. It's called Level Up. And before we go into that, I want to show you a video just so you don't get bored with my face. In this video, you will see a sharp crease dent on the hood of aluminum. It's actually aluminum hood, and it's not actually really big, but it's quite sharp. And I want you to ask yourself, how long do you need to repair this dent? Is it 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour? Whatever your time is, it is great if you can finish this dent. And while I'll be talking about the training, you can watch me repair this dent and in real time. And like I said, I won't take more than 5 minutes of your time. Now let's jump into the training. Level Up training, it's basically a 3-day training which is meant for people who are already pushing dents. They're not complete beginners, but they're not the best experts in the world either. So if you are a technician who knows how to find the tip of the tool, knows how to push and knock down and all of this, but you have problems with getting that perfect finish, maybe a little bigger dents that are more complex, like a sharp dent, a crease dent, or a bodyline dent, and even some larger dents. If you're having trouble with glue pulling bigger stuff and blending, also if shrinking dents with power PDR box is causing you some issues, well, this is probably the training for you. What will we do in this training? In 3 days, it's going to be exhausting 3 days. We're going to start early. The plan is to meet at 7:45 and start at 8 after getting some coffee. And we're going to be working all day long up to 7 p.m. with lunch in between, snacks and drinks, of course. And every day we have it planned really, really tight. So it's gonna be glue pulling, like I said, bigger dents, creases, bodyline dents, blending, all the stuff you need to increase your level up, to level up your skills. We won't just touch only fixing dents, but also how to increase your business, get more customers in the door. If you know Gene Fetty is a host of PDR Marketing Minute podcast, he knows a lot about marketing and closing the deals, so that will help you a lot to grow your business and make more money. This program is limited to 4 people only. We don't want a big group. We limited it only to 4 people so you can get the most out of us. Now, what we will do is basically 4 trainees, 2 students. We want to show you how to do a dent, a more complex dent like a crease, how I do it, how Gene does it, and then we will let you push on it while we walk around and look how you're doing, giving you advices, guiding you in the right direction. This training is meant to increase your skills, finishing skills, and also increase your repair times, so being much faster. And if you have been paying attention to the video that's been playing, you can see the dent is almost finished, just a little tap down needed and it's done. The dent was fixed in just 3 minutes. If you think training and knowing something like this would benefit you and your business to make more money, please make sure to check out the link in the description. You can reach out to me or Gene with any questions you have. Now before I go, I'm gonna show you after video, and like I said, we kept it under 5 minutes. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for your time. Take care and have a good one.